Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shell, and if you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for returning. What I want to do today, I want to have my first meal of the day. It is 12:42. I am a little later than usual, but I do try to push my first meal. So I'm about to get that done, make my eggs for the day, and then I want to meal prep. I'm gonna get started, and the first thing I'm actually about to do is write this down on my board. Where should I put it? I'm gonna put it here. What am I meal prepping? I am making some broccoli today, cauliflower rice, and mushrooms. Would that be my only two veggies? I think I want to make a stuffed, I don't know, is it stuffed peppers or, oh, I should do the zucchini lasagna. Okay, what other veggies? Don't forget about the basic stuff. So my eggs, I'm prepping my veggie for my eggs. I am prepping my salad bar. And maybe I will make like 2 chia puddings. And I can't forget salad dressing. I still have to run to the store. I need to just run to Aldi for like 2 things I forgot, which is so annoying. I also need to wash my fruit. I think that's all the veggies I have, but that's okay, right? Broccoli. Oh, I have sweet potatoes. I need to make some sweet potatoes. So let's make some sweet potatoes. And I think that's it. That's give me 4 veggies. And then I can make these with anything. I'm not prepping the meat, I don't think. I have salmon, I have shrimp, I have steak, I have ground turkey, and I have chicken. So I have a good amount of protein there. And let's get it started. So as you guys can see, this is all my crazy work. This is one of the dirty dozen, so you have to make sure you get the dirty dozen organic. It's just dirty. I have my timer here. Love this timer. Let that go. When it buzz, I'll take the spinach out. I have some tomatoes. I have to wash these. Actually, I'm gonna throw these in. So let me just quickly make my coffee. Timer went off, so I added the greens in here with some paper towel. I'm coming back to my eggs. I forgot to grab my water, y'all, and I need my water. Let me grab that. He said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day. Yesterday, today, I let him hold my hand, and I follow all his plans. Vitamins. Just is what I can do, 'cause he made me new. Anything. This is sea moss. And I'm going to finish this. Okay. So I'm about to wash these few little dishes, dry them, put them up, and I think I'm going to set up over here, get all my containers, start the washing process. Whew, y'all, it takes so much energy. Like, I'm trying to pump myself up. This is for the counters. I'm really trying to like get myself there, but boy, I'm like dreading this. I'm dreading it. So I was saying, fill up his sink, clean all his veggies and vegetables in there at one time. I don't know about that, because I use so many different bowls and containers and glass, and so maybe I'm making it harder than it needs to be. But unless I see something that's smarter, because I don't know about filling up my sink full of, I don't know about that. I really don't. I think I'm just going to save my 2 scoops of protein. I was going to do 1, but I'm full. Honestly, don't even know if I was in the mood to eat, but I'm trying to keep my protein. I like that I don't have an appetite though. I kind of do like that. And then the people live down the street. They took their boat home. It was like, what the heck?
Yeah, there's a lot of restaurants like that, which I like.
That's pretty cool.
I'm steadily changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Ooh, wow, I can understand, you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but I'm to you. See my soul and could you see why? Hold my hand high, could you see I? See you see me, I'm a one stop, cause you clean me. And now I'm better, I'm better. No longer what I used to be better, better. Steadily changing, it's making me better. I'm turning a new thing, it's making me stronger, yeah, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. Christ is in my life, oh yeah, I'm good, yeah. I'm good, 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 I'm good. Hey yo, he said that he will never change, and he never changed. He remains the same every single day.